This video will show some testing of a chain of installed terminals. We have 3 index terminals that are connected, input tail of one terminal to the output green port of the previous terminal. The signal will start at the tail end of the first terminal in a chain. There are 12 fibers in each tail with a signal dropped off at each terminal. The first fiber of an index terminal tail will always be the fiber dropped off. The remaining 11 fibers are shifted from fibers 2 through 12 to fibers 1 through 11 and are combined with another fiber from the reverse port and brought to an output multi-fiber connector with green dust cap. If we place a laser source at the start of the chain, fiber 1, 2, or 3, we can measure the power at terminals 1, 2, or 3 respectively. Proper cleaning and eye safety should be observed. The measured loss will be the splitter in the terminal being tested, as well as any connections and indexing loss from any previous terminals. Likewise, an OTDR can be used to test the loss of the terminal tail, any connections, and the splitter of the terminal. To conduct an OTDR shoot through all of the terminals, you'll need to go to the end terminal. At the output port with the green dust cap, plug in a multi-fiber breakout. Place the OTDR on fiber number 1. This will go back through the terminals in a reversal of the indexing operation. For example, in a 3-terminal chain, the number 1 fiber at the end will show as fiber 4 at the start of the chain. For a 12-terminal chain, fiber number 1 at the end of the chain will show at the reverse port of the first terminal. Please watch our other indexing videos for more explanations and instructions.